Today you're going to take a quiz, lesson 1 through 4 quiz. It's posted on the Google Classroom. You can find it when you go to classwork, scroll down under Unit 1. It says, note, if you're an online learner, you may only take the quiz in My Classroom. Or if you're not an online learner, so if you're an on-site learner, you have to take it in my class in the period that you have me. If you're absent from school the day we take the quiz, you must come in during advisory the day you return to make up the quiz. If you take the quiz outside of my class, you will not receive points. You're going to open up the attached Google form right here to complete your lesson 1 through 4 quiz. It's only 10 questions. It's not timed. You can take as much time as you need. You may use the notes page attached, a pencil and a calculator. So this is some conversion notes. Once you finish that, I want you to navigate to code.org, and we're going to go in and we're going to do 2 reflections. We're going to find lesson 5, the overflow and rounding, and you're going to do the check for understanding for 3 and 4. Once you're done with that, make sure you've submitted your quiz, and you get your points for the day.